What's up, guys? We're back with another banger, and today I am fishing at this creek by my house. It's a nice watery view, and today I'm going fishing with my dad. He's over there, and yeah, hope y'all like the video. Let's go. Let's cast out. Let's do a recast real quick. I did that very bad. No, we just had some bites. Let's go right there again. Let's see. Oh, we are not on. Dang it. Oh, we just lost our bait. Let's go put some more bait on. Let's go put some more bait on our hook. Oh, shoot. Almost just fell. Dad, can you help me get this thing going?
Oh, you got another one?
Yeah,
I need a bait?
Yeah, I need more bait.
Just not even wash my hands, dude. And then...
I'm recording right now, dude. Recording my video. You're gonna be in my,
yeah, dude, yeah.
You're gonna be in my fishing video.
Yeah.
Will you use that to cut them?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you use my thumb and just slide it across a little bit.
You're just enduring them through the pain.
You just cut.
Thank you. Alright, guys, we're putting our bait on right now.
Oh, man, I still had a piece of bait.
You still have a piece of bait?
Yeah, I still got some on mine. That's when I can save it. Well, we could just put it right on top for the next one.
Oh, yeah. It's probably going to be me because I'm always the one catching all them fishes, dude. Alright. We're about to get our bait on.
Got this one fast. This little fast guy. Oh, yeah.
Oh, shoot. Alright, guys. We got our bait on. Now, let's go cast it out. Alright, we're gonna cast this guy out right into the middle where all those bubbles are at. See if we can catch anything. We're on. We're on! We got a little guy. This guy is very small. Oh my gosh, we just caught a very small little fish. I don't even know what type of fish that is. Dad, look what kind of fish I caught. Look how small that guy is. Alright, let's unhook him. Unhook him off of our hook. Oh, this guy's jammed in there pretty good. Dad, can you help me real quick? This guy's not opening his mouth. He's not cooperating with me. Like the police. He's not cooperating. Sir, I need you to cooperate with me. Dad, he's hooked in the eye.
You can put some smaller hooks on it too, though.
Yeah, this is very hard.
Next time they put a smaller one, and they can get it more in their mouth, so let's think about it.
Look, can you help me real quick? That guy's enduring through all that pain. This is the worst thing that could ever happen in this life.
Oh, I see it happened like that too. Some will And it's crazy though. Sometimes you'll get one, and it doesn't even go through their mouth. It's through their eye only. And you're like, what in the world?
Did they even get it through their eye?
Yeah.
Their eye's more hungry than them. All right, guys, we're about to cast this guy out. It's over there. Let's see if we can get anything on our piece of bait. We didn't get anything there. We're gonna recast this out somewhere else. Let's go somewhere else, guys. Oh, right here, guys. Let's check right there. Oh, right there. Alright, we're not getting no bites right now. We're gonna come over here to the side of here, to the to like this curve. See if we can catch anything here. Oh my gosh, guys, we just caught a little fishy. That was such a late reaction. Look how little that guy is. Y'all see that? Look how small he is. Look how small that little guy is. He's like a small little one. All right, let's get him off of our hook. Here, you know what, guys? Today, for right now, I'm gonna put you. We're gonna put you somewhere to where I can put my phone and y'all can see me fish. Alright, right here, guys. Look at that. Oh, I just sprayed some water. He just got some. Don't mind that noise, guys. That's just our. There's just some people riding their dirt bikes. I guess today they think today's a good day to. Alright, let's go release this guy. Bye, little fishy. I caught a fish. Alright, we still got our bait on, so we're gonna fix him up a little bit and try to catch another fish. Let's see what we can catch. Hopefully we can catch something. Alright. What's up, guys? What's up now, fishes? Let's see what we can catch. Catch now. Oh, just got a tree. Be right back. Wait, where?
Right there, look.
Oh, I'm gonna go get it. I'm gonna try to cast onto him. Dude, if I catch this, this will be once in a lifetime. What's up, guys? We're about to try to catch this big old fish that my dad just spotted.
Stay over there so you can see, because he's swimming that way.
All right. All right. We're gonna stay on the lookout for him. You see him anymore? He's right there! It's a freaking guard! It's a freaking guard! It's a freaking guard! Oh my gosh!
You see him?
Yes, it's a guard!
Where's he at?
He's right here, he's right on my bait.
Where'd you see him at?
He's right here, he's like above that pipe.
Well, just think about it. I can't see if he came this way.
He's like right there. Guys, I wish I could have seen that fish. Dude, this gar is freaking huge. No. Man, what the heck? Hold up, I'm gonna get right there. Yes, dude, that thing was like freaking huge, dude. I'm not joking, Dad.
That's why I saw it. I was like, oh, no, but the thing was I didn't have no more bait on. I don't know, Dad, because you got to stay looking everywhere, left and right, because it'll swim back this way. And over there, it gets a little bit deeper.
Dude, and these guys took my bait. Hold up, guys. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go put a fresh new bait on. Dude, I just whipped myself in the finger.
Yeah, I don't know where he went, man. But there are gar here.
Well, that's nice to know. Oh my gosh, guys, if I catch this gar, I'm gonna be so happy. Because, if y'all don't know, which I probably don't, this is gonna be my first gar ever caught. That's right there. Freaking little fish. Dude, guys, I just hooked onto a fish and he got unhooked. Do you see him over there, Dad? Alright, guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go put on another bait. Come on, guys, we're gonna go check if my dad got something. If it's a snag, this is like a fisherman's worst nightmare. Where you at, Dad?
Yeah, I'm done. I yanked on it and I got stuck.
Dude. And he's far.
I wish we would have been able to try to attempt to get that gar.
Dude, that thing was huge. That thing was like this big.
It was, dude. It was like 3 feet long, man.
Alright, we're gonna go put my bait on and we're gonna cast it out and try to catch that gar. Where's my worm at? Right there. There my boy is. That's the one thing I didn't want you to do, because once that happens, you think about the time, and then the time means
Well, it's gonna get late anyway. We're gonna have to go.
Yeah, I
So
know.
this kind of like rushes it a little bit, but
Can you help me put this? Actually, no, it's fine. What was that?
can you hear it?
It was rustling in the bushes. Probably the wind. Alright guys, we're gonna go cast this out. Hopefully we can hook into that gar.
We gotta be able to hear it. Oh man, look at there. You that look. Look, there. You see it? Look at that big old fish.
Oh my gosh.
You gotta throw it from here. Throw it right here.
I know. Look at the cat continue. Where's he at now? He's like,
He's over here. He's above it. You see, he's on the edge. He's up on the edge of the line, by the bank, Dad. No, you gotta get it. Recast it. Look, you're gonna see him straight ahead in front of my boat. Look, you see him? He's over here. Look, in front of my fishing pole.
I see him.
Way over there. He's fishing the edge.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
get under your line. Dude, I swear if I catch him,
But do you see him? I'm not sure that's him stopped right there.
Wait, that is.
Okay, now just bring it back to you. But you gotta leave it there, though. Don't.
They're biting on my thing.
Yeah, it's a little guy.
Should I use that for bait?
Go for it.
Yeah.
See if he'll leave him like that. No, just leave him like that. He's gonna be swimming in there.